Somebody didn't leak the iPhone 18 Pro this time. Somebody stole it. Over the past few weeks, a ransomware group called World Leaks has been quietly publishing what they claim is more than 630 gigabytes of stolen data, over 200,000 files, taken from Tata Electronics. If that name doesn't ring a bell, it should. Tata is one of the manufacturing partners building components for Apple, and for Tesla too. The files reportedly include detailed breakdowns of iPhone 18 Pro parts, chips, battery components, camera modules, plus supplier documents showing exactly which vendors are making what, and even details on rival suppliers who were bidding for the same contracts. There are also said to be actual photos of the device mixed in. This isn't a tipster with a source inside a factory. This is what security researchers call a hack and leak operation. Get in, grab everything you can, and post it if you don't get paid. One analyst put it simply, attacks like this usually need a foothold inside the company first. Stolen credentials, weak access controls, something that lets them move around undetected before anyone notices. Tata has confirmed there was a cybersecurity incident. Apple's line so far is that it's concerned about the leak and looking into it, which translated means don't expect an official comment on specifics anytime soon. Now, separately, and this part comes from a different leak entirely, a supply chain source, not the breach, Apple is reportedly testing new iPhone 18 Pro colors, including one they're calling dark cherry, alongside a light blue, a dark gray, and silver. Other reports floating around point to a new 2nm A20 chip and Apple's in-house C2 modem, though none of that traces back to the Tata files specifically. Treat those as separate rumors for now. Put together, you've got two leak tracks converging on the same phone. One from a genuine corporate breach, one from the usual supply chain whisper network. Which is honestly a little unsettling if you're Apple. It means even without a single insider talking, your next flagship's guts are already public. We'll keep tracking this one as more surfaces. If you want the play-by-play before September, you know what to do.